Now that your LeafGuard project has been scheduled, I'd like to show you what you can expect for the installation process. The first thing you can expect is the LeafGuard mobile factory to show up in custom roll form LeafGuard for your home. They will find a good spot to lay everything in your yard. They will also be leaving all of the downspout and parts to complete the project. Before the LeafGuard crew shows up, there are a few things you can do to make the job process go a little smoother. We prefer to park in the driveway, so making sure any vehicles you need out of the garage are out before we get there can really help out. If it's not possible for us to park in your driveway, no problem, we can work from the street. Moving grills and patio furniture away from the home will make it easier and safer for the crew to set up their ladders and planks. Any potted plants that are easily moved should be put somewhere out of the way. We do our very best to work around everything outside your home, but if there are things that can be moved, it makes it much easier for the crew. But don't worry, if you're not able to move it yourself, our guys will be more than happy to do so before they start. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you soon.